All right, last question, guys, and then I'll get into some of the questions you guys are doing. So the student asked as far as the side angle side theorem and the side side side. So I'm not really sure what they are referring to. The only thing that I'm aware of that I remember from my geometry days, which we talk about in my class for pre-calculus, is, understanding when triangles are going to be congruent, meaning they have the same size and shape. So if, obviously angles, right? If I use the same tick marks, if they have the same sides, then that means they obviously are going to have the same angles. So if they have the same size and angles, then those triangles are going to be exactly the same, otherwise known as congruent triangles. So you can't say that the same thing with the angles, though. The angles can be the same and the side lengths not be the same. But once we know that the side lengths are the same, then the angles have to be the same. And since the sides and the angles are exactly the same for both those triangles, they are congruent. So side, side, side proves congruency. However, angle, angle, angle does not prove congruency. But if we have side, angle, side, side, angle, side, side, angle, side. So side angle side is also another one that does prove congruency because, well, I guess maybe that's what they're looking for is like the constructions as far as with them. I'm trying to think of, man, I don't really remember as far as the proving it from there. It gets to the point is once we start doing the law of sines and we get to the angle side, you can kind of see why that doesn't prove congruency. And I guess like if I was to draw another triangle, like, let's maybe use that converse theorem here. Like, all right, let's just do the side angle side, right? So they have side angle side. Well, there's only 1/3 side I can draw here. Like I have no other options. I can't change this angle. I can't change those sides. So the only side I can do is right there, right? And again, like the same thing, if I have these triangles, have these all the same, of course it's going to look like those other two. Like there's no other triangle I can draw that would be different that has side, side, side or side angle side. So that's just kind of how that idea, kind of works. Obviously I'm a little way too far removed from geometry class to kind of give you a little bit more of a methodology and working through them, but hopefully at least that explanation is sufficient. All right.